What's up? It's a boy, Von F here. Yeah, that's Von F, not Von F, because I ain't German. And welcome to the stream. Today we're gonna keep working on the terrain interaction for phase 1. This time we're actually gonna do terrain destruction. Let me just get my my controller out of the way. I'm not gonna need this for now. We're gonna be coding, and for testing purposes, keyboard will do just fine. So let's get that out of the way. All right. So today like I said, we're continuing with the terrain destruction. I thought we were gonna get to that yesterday. We didn't because we actually had to write our own terrain interaction routine, or terrain detection routine. I didn't realize we would have to do that, but we did. But we got it done pretty quickly. It wasn't too hard. We did some debugging, got some tips from Anon, which helped speed up the process a little bit. So that was nice. And now we're ready to continue. So where were we? I think what we added last time was, let's see, we made it so the boss can walk up steps that are 1 block tall. Actually, we made it so he can walk up anything, but we're gonna make it so that he can only walk up if it's only 1 block tall. And the way we're going to accomplish this is we're actually gonna keep this code as is. It's not gonna check for height. Instead, what we're gonna do is we're going to add a like check. So let's say the boss is how do we show this best? So the boss is here, right? And let me get some blocks. So the boss is here. This is gonna represent the boss right now, just this Koopa, and he walks here, right? So he encounters this, and he will just walk over it, right? Fine, awesome. That's exactly what he's supposed to do. He runs into this, and what happens? What we'll do is we'll add a new collision point that will be 1 tile above here. And if this touches nothing, we will keep the code as is. So if it's, for example, if it's this, then it will do the same thing as usual. But if this touches something, and we will check this always every frame before we check this point, right? If it touches something here, we will break it, and then we will check this point. And if it touches something there, we will break that too. Okay? So whenever it moves forward, these have to have the exact same x coordinate. That's important. So when he moves forward, we will check this tile first, the above tile. If this one is free, then he will walk up. If this one is not free, he'll just break everything. And then later we're probably gonna like add more points like up here, so he can break things like up to his total height. But for now, let's just do the 1 point to test the concept. And of course, this is the start of a stream, so I gotta refresh my music. Otherwise, whatever would I do? Whatever would I do otherwise? Can never code without good music, I say. Oh. Oops. No. Damn it. That one goes there. Yeah. And this one goes here. Like so. Alright, let's get this party started. So where's the collision routine? Or the like point stuff? Not player 1 interaction. Oh, it's phase 1 interaction, not player 1 interaction. I see. Okay, these are hitboxes though. We don't want to mess with those right now. Here, reset stuff, down collision point, forward collision point 1. Let's call these corner collision points. Here. We are gonna collapse these actually. But before these, we need the what do we call them? Front collision points. And let's see, what x did we use? We used the x coordinate here, 10. This has to be the exact same. Maybe we should even use a define for this. I don't think that's necessary though. I don't think that's necessary. And this one, we're gonna move it exactly 1 tile above. So just minus 10 on this compared to this. So it's minus 8. This one is plus 8. This one is minus 8. Get map 16. And if it touches something, we're going to front collision. And we do want this label because we are going to add several other points like above here as well. What am I doing? Collision. Let's just give these unique names. This is fine. I think that's fine. I really feel like these should be sub-labels though. Down collision. Done. Front collision. And then here we call this. Actually, we can just call this corner, and then like, what am I doing? Why is this not just called P1 collision? And then we'll call this down, like so. So remove the word corner. We can keep this as corner 2, I guess. There we go, that should do it. Done, yeah. Here, collision, and then, where was I? Here. Here, done. But, if this is here, then we need to destroy this tile. I think for this, at least for now, we're going to use the included routine. And it fucks with my sublabels. No, I don't want to use it. I really don't want to use it now. Don't want to use it now. What do we do? Do we just... I don't want to... Ooh, okay. This one seems copy-pastable. It has consistent tabbing. Maybe we just copy-paste this in. Oh, this is disgusting. Maybe we just copy-paste this in. It's not the worst. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? Do we use this? We can use this for now. We use this as a test. And just because I don't want to fuck with my sublabels, I'm going to do something a little stupid. Let's see. What did we have? What return did we have on here? On the Ooga Booga here. On the not generate chunk, but on get map 16. Here, coordinates of points are in 4 and 6. And this one goes in 9A because Super Mario World is really consistent about its XY placement, right? And then we get this, I guess. Guess we go there. Yeah. So here. We're just gonna do that and then RTS. Does it return with the same same regs? I don't know. Well, let's try it anyway. Error, changed map 16, redefined. How is this redefined? Don't tell me it inserts this. Does it actually insert this as a full label? How annoying. I hate this. I hate this so much. You know what, I don't care, I'll just... We're just doing this. And now let's see if we can mess with this. Change map 16 routine from Xrary. We're gonna slightly speed this up, I guess. And like I thought, this one will indeed shred our scratch RAM regs. So we do need to be careful here. Layer 1, the sublabel is fine. I kind of want to call it layer 1, no. Capital L. What if it's not layer 1? What does it do then? Oh, it just LSRs an extra time. If X level, I have no idea what that means. I didn't think that was a define here. Is that a define set by Pixie maybe? What is this order? Is this lol order? Why does it do load A, load Y, STY? Oh, because it swaps them, I see. Do we just keep label names? Hell no. Vertical check. Bertie boob. No end. I guess we're not gonna call this no end. We're gonna call this what I usually call this. Label like this. Process. Pretty sure this checks for if it's on screen or not. Check. I see. Bra check. Why are we brawling to check? RTL, RTS. I guess CLC means it did generate. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't care. We really don't care. We don't care about preserving X either. We don't care about preserving P. We don't care about preserving Y. We do care about preserving B, I guess. That's pretty good. Oh, this should... Alright. It's fine, I guess. Yeah, I can go like that. Instead here, when we return... Is B even changing? It probably is changing. We just do sep30 LDX sprite index. We don't need this either. This is the only return we need. This looks like it's less stuff though. Wait, now I have to do this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! What is missing? What is missing? So this isn't good. We have an extra PLX here. Oh, because I'm pushing X twice. Oh, I'm pushing, this is another X I'm pushing, I see. What does it say here? Routines, change map 16, return. Doesn't say what the output is. It doesn't say what the output is? Oh boy. Alright, so, I guess let's not change this yet. Where are we here? Okay. So where does this X go? Let's track each and every one. So we don't care about these two. We definitely don't care about these two, right? PHX and PHP. That's those are the last two. These two, we don't care here. These are definitely gonna be sub 30 and the LBX sprite index, right? Down here, that's where it's going to be as well. We don't care about the CLC. Okay, so what is this Y? Why are we pulling Y here? Why are we preserving that? It seems like a waste of cycles. Here, push Y, delete, pull Y, delete, and also up here, pull Y, delete. So we still have this X here. I don't know why we're pushing this. That one isn't here though. There's something we're pushing extra here. So that means that in process here, we're pulling X somewhere. I really like this .w here. Get out of here, confusing comments. We don't need that, not useful. Why is this separated? We're getting an X here for some reason. And then we're pulling X. I guess this is the block number we're pulling here somewhere. Where are we pulling it though? Maybe we're not even pulling it with X. We might be pulling it with something else. Oops. Oops. Wow, that's really easy to mess up. Why would you capitalize everything except the first letter? Like all the words except the first one. That doesn't make sense to me. Alright. Oops. So right now we're just getting rid of these comments. We're just cleaning this up a bit to make it look more like the rest of the code. I quite value that. Don't ask why, because it's not actually important. But I like it. I like it. So this is some SA1 stuff. Otherwise, what is the difference between these two? Wait, these are the exact same, aren't they? If SA1, then these are accessed by via long address. Why? Because we have to access. We have to actually make sure we access SA1 DP0. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. This should be the exact same address anyway. So like sprites are always executed by SA1, right? So this still reads from IRAM. Does this change DP somewhere? I don't think so. That seems crazy. No, it doesn't. At least I don't see it doing that anywhere. So this is stupid. We're just... Oh, no, it's not stupid. I really dislike this if else though. Let's just make this an map 16 base low. Why does it even have to be like this? What is this? Where are we getting the C800 from? This, I guess? Yeah, it has to be this. Unless we're changing DP, I really don't see why we're doing these long. Like, how is this any different from this? How? Like, what is going on here? Because DP is always bank 0, and DP in SA1 by default targets the on SA1 it's mapped to 0 anyway. Am I crazy here? I don't think this makes any sense. I don't think this makes sense. These are gonna be the same thing, except this is slower. It seems quite arrogant to just change it without testing anything. Oh man. Alright, I feel like I'm just roping for no reason here. Roping. Hearthstone terms. I'm just spending a lot of time here without really needing to. Anyway, I really don't think we need these. These do the exact same thing. We might test this later. Let's add here to do. Test this. Okay, that should be fine. Here, this is where we're pulling the number from before, and this is the block number that we're pulling. We're not JSRing to anything here, so we could just store the block number in Scratch RAM instead of having to do this stuff. We're not using 0. We're using 0 here, actually. We're just reading from 0. We're not actually storing anything to it, are we? I don't see it. What? This is really weird. It's like the DP address by default in the SA1 pack on the SA1 side is set to 3000. Is this just so... No, it's set to 0. Only on SNES side is set to 3000. That's what I was trying to say. Is this only so you can execute this on SNES side as well? Is it? That seems really dumb. This seems really, really dumb. I really can't understand what's going on here. What even is this? What is this? I'm so confused. No word wrap, please. Apparently we can't even find this. A8. OOBE A8. So it's somewhere in here. Huh. So the point of this is just reading from bank 0. So we're using this pointer as an index to just read from here. Okay, sure. Then this is pointless! Okay, we're gonna remove it. We're just gonna remove it. This is stupid. So here we're pulling something. Why are we doing something? Why? Let's just do map 16 low and just and FF0000X. I think that's fine. High. Put this in the high byte. Isn't this backwards? This is super backwards. Oh, it stores. Never mind. Yeah. So it should actually be this. Map 16 low, map 16 high, and make sure we only get the bank byte from this. But we have to make sure it's still, you know, .l. I don't think we have to make sure, but it's probably gonna be there anyway. Let's just do that, I guess. Here, so this is some weird stuff, eh? Sep 20. Go to 0, and then here with the extra push X, like so. And now we can get rid of this thing. Finally. Very good. Equal to block num, very good. I don't like these macro plus labels. What is the stripe image data? Seems like it. Here, and it's we're gonna call this finish, I guess. Finish block. Let's just call end. What is this? Minus? +9. What in the world? What are you doing? Why would you do this? +9? That includes, that's actually +10 minus 1, right? Because it's 3, 6, 10. Why would you not just... Oh, I see. We're just gonna put the return up here. And we're gonna change this, of course, to d-1. So it makes sense, because this is what we're actually targeting. You can see here, 0084D. Can't find it, huh? What? What are we pushing here? 84D? What? We're definitely going to bank 0, right? PHK? This should point to an RTL, right? What? 84C? That's here. That's here. Why are we going here? All right. Is it another bank? I don't know. Oh, I guess it might be to this one. Maybe, I don't know. I don't fucking know. And anyway, we're gonna put the, I guess we'll keep this. I don't know what it does, but that's a good reason to keep it, I think. We're gonna put the return label here. Don't need that. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. Let's see if this assembles in the first place. It doesn't. I see it in fully change this, I guess. Vert L2. No, Bert, not Bertu. Bertu. Okay, we're not actually calling it. Let's see if it works. Get map 16, whatever. I guess we are actually calling it. All right. Let's see if it works when it gets called then. Ooga booga boss chan. Let's see what you can do. Nothing happened, seemingly. Oh? Something happened but went wrong. Totally spawned in the wrong way, in the wrong place. I wonder if I swapped X and Y coordinates accidentally. Maybe it is actually like that. Maybe I'm crazy. Let's see here. Let's see him break something. Didn't break. So here he shouldn't break anything. Oh, nothing happens. Nothing happens! I guess we must have done something wrong. Well, this is embarrassing. Let's see what we can do. Oh. Guess we don't need to be able to like generate anything. We just want to generate empty space. Does that matter? Does it matter? Is it good to just use OOBEBO? OOBEBO, is that good? I don't know. Right, I also know that this stuff here doesn't work, right? And doesn't have to. It's very, very cool. Okay. Change. Oh. Yeah. We don't have to check for all these different level types though, we really don't. So this is always going to be layer 1, right? Here, it's always going to be horizontal. So we skip this. X level is always going to be on, right? Or is it? I don't know, I don't actually know. Ooh, what if it isn't? Well, then we're going to be in trouble. Vertical check. I think we never want to do vertical check, right? So 98 is definitely Y. Okay. Vertical check, what is this? 99 CMP2, yeah, no, screw that. Check. Yeah, just that, I guess. Down here, yeah, this is always gonna be, it's always gonna be horse L1. At least on this level, right? Species 7F. We're gonna have to step through this one probably. Oh, that's not good. Let's see here. So what went wrong this time? Process. PLB, that's the only thing we pushed. It's good. But we do go here and we do try to generate something. Maybe this stuff is going wrong, I don't know. I do like these on P, I don't know why. I don't really know why, to be honest. So what is going wrong here? Could it be that the X level one was like really important for something? No, it's really not. Well, I guess let's just step through it, see what happens. It's probably the most boring episode of the stream. I'm just kind of racking my brain here, trying to figure out what's wrong. Ooh. Maybe I did something somewhere that only works on SA1 or something, I don't know. I don't heckin' know. I don't know, Johnny. Okay, let's see here. Just gonna push. I guess we should just place some blocks in front of the boss. We don't have to wait so long whenever we wanna test something. Enable the breakpoint. See what happens. Here we go. So now we're trying to generate something. Get that there. Push B, store to 0. Very good. Get these coordinates. Oh, we're swapping them there. Really? Seems kind of... Now I understand what was going on there before. Seems sort of pointless, but not like it's a problem. Stepping through here. I don't really know what we're doing here. So we're getting the pointer, I guess, to... What's this? ADC 80. What's that? Oh, bank, I see. Fast drum or whatever. Huh? 1933? Wait, that's not right. Is it? Is it? There's something that points to 1933. There really isn't. What was this? This was EDB F2? Huh? Do these match at all? Started at 68. What am I on here? 67, 68. 86 OC. No, these do not match here at all. These really do not match. Shouldn't this bank just be a mirror though? I don't know what this is for. It's very possible Lunar Magic wants to mess with this, right? They seem like they all still like are something similar, but oh well. Here, store the number. Oh, that's not the right index. That's not the right index at all. It's not even close. Has to be, so there's a couple hundred missing. It's a couple hundred missing from that index. Break? Oh, we're definitely missing something here. We're definitely missing something here. That's in the wrong mode. Let's just back off a big while or something. So here, I guess I removed the rep 20. That wasn't good. But also, why did we get the wrong index here? Before this was just pull. And it was this. Routines. Here, right? Yeah. So it's this X that I got rid of. So here, before end. Update this. Also, let's place some blockaroos. Oh, we generated something on layer 2, apparently. Oh, wait, maybe, oh, what is that address? 1993, is that right? sounds like a year. Why is that it? Routines, change map 16. 1933, okay. Nope, that didn't make a difference. So we're definitely making something happen. We're making something happen. Oops. I don't know why we end up on the wrong layer though. I thought maybe I got the wrong branch. That's entirely possible. Somewhere I got the wrong branch. That's the only explanation, right? When I removed stuff, I removed the wrong code. Definitely like based on the right layer at least. 1C is also layer 1. There, 1933, that's right. 0 this. What's 1925? We're just gonna look up some RAM addresses here. See what's going on. Level mode settings, okay, whatever. I don't care. Rep all plus also set carry. Set carry? Are you sure? No, this is clear, of course. Clear carry. Yeah. I'm tired. Don't mind me. I'm just being a little crazy pants. Why are we messing with Y over, like, at all here? I think at this point I've oh boy. Oh, this is embarrassing. Change map 16. Let's see if we can make something happen by just I'm kind of just mashing my head against this at this point. I'm not really thinking much. Let's see. So what are we even using Y for here? Y. What is Y used for here? Goes to goes to here, right? Where's L1? That, and then we go here to store that. So 1C just goes in A, right? It's the same. So what is going wrong here? Well, seems like the map 16 might be changing it to right place at least. Let's test this. Go. Here, let's see what happens. So walk into this, and here, what's X? Oh no. Oh no! What? This is a disaster. Okay, so we definitely didn't change DP. DB is 90? Is that good? Oh, we're in bank 90, okay. So we're really in bank 10, right? Because this is low ROM. What in the world? Why is X this dumbass bullshit value? This isn't a real address. Wait a minute. Is it? Nope, it's definitely doing this. So here it definitely thinks that X should be the index plus all of this. Index plus base, right? It definitely thinks that. So how does this go so horribly wrong? How does this go so wrong? This is weird, man. Why is X so small? 19D? I mean, we're getting the right tile number. We're getting the way off on the index. We're storing to the right addresses according to this. It's like we're getting X in the exact same way, aren't we? Here. We're using this code, which is what this would use if SA1 wasn't on anyway, right? Tax here. This stuff is looking so suspicious to me. It's looking hella sus. Okay, how are we getting this X up here? Where does this X come from? Something up here? Here, this right here, tax here. We're not doing anything here to change X, right? So above the LDAD here. Did I actually change anything here? I thought I didn't. I really thought I didn't. LDA, STA, ASLA, AZB, tie, rep 20. Get this into 8. Then and FO times 4 times 256, start to 6. Oh, TXA double, go put back in X. Okay, so we got X before this as well. No end. So process. So this X that we're using is the one that, could it be? Is it actually because we're using SEP30 at some point and we're shredding X? Is that it? No, is that actually it? What? So what is X here? X shouldn't X... so the index to this thing is what we're holding here. And this is supposed to give us the index... Wait, somehow this is supposed to give us the... This is supposed to give us the index to here? So this pointer has something, right? I guess this is like, I don't know, I don't know what this would be actually. This is something, and we're using it, it's a pointer, but we're using it as an index, sure. We're adding Y, I don't know what Y is. Can you tell how much of a disaster this is? I know our Y is the same. So we're adding this pointer, indexed by X. No, never mind, we're just adding this pointer. Then we're putting this in X. Then we're adding this. Tax. Adding this pointer. Then we're getting the previous X. And we're adding this as well. Am I doing anything differently? I can't even tell. It looks like it's the exact same to me. So what is the problem? What is the problem here? Alright, this is the most boring stream ever. This might actually be something I fix off stream at some point. Man, this is boring. This is so boring. I'm bored. I'm never bored. Go to layer 1. Am I still doing that? No, I'm not doing that. Oh, I removed the thing I commented on earlier, where I was like, oh, they're swapping this? Really? What's this order? What's the lol order? That's what I said, right? Oh, here, right? So we're no longer wait. Oh, we're swapping these on vertical. Okay, whatever. Whatever. So never mind that. Hey, so we're definitely always layer 1. Maybe X should always be this though. Oh, that's probably what oh, of course, we're missing an X up here. Let's see if this works. That might just make a difference. Might just make a difference. Oh, yep, that worked. That worked. So what we have to do here is change map 16. Also, what we do is if this happens, we also use this point in a special way, which is that we right, what do we do actually? Does this shred these regs? I hope not. 98. Do that as well, and then we destroy the block below as well. If this is already air, this will do nothing. Did we actually make? Yeah, we totally made it. This is awesome. Check this out. So now it walks up. Okay, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna fix this off stream, and then I instantly solve it because of course I do. Okay, I wish I had a performance indicator somewhere, but I don't know how we're gonna install this here. Oh, so now he's gonna destroy here. Only destroys 2 tiles. As you can see, the boss is roughly 4 tiles tall. Let's see. Yeah, he's about 4 tiles tall, so we would need to destroy actually a 4 tile tall column in front of him for this to look reasonable. Wait, what in the world? Why didn't this work? Somehow that didn't work. Oh, now it worked. What? Were we just at like a warp maybe? Could that be? Here he goes up, he goes up, he goes down. Here he'll destroy some dudes. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm just like repeatedly having him do this to see if like there's bugs anywhere. We're going to spawn some debris later. Okay, this is really weird. Like when he's... Oh, okay. Sure. It seems to happen when he's walking over the pits, right? He gets weird results here. I think it might be because we're capping his... Oh, that was really weird. Does that have to do with... Does that have anything to do with the looping terrain? Seems to only happen when he's at the bottom line, by the way. These only happen at the bottom line. It doesn't always happen. It happens here. I should have like the camera's X position displayed somewhere. We're gonna have to figure out how to place the other points, I guess. Yeah, I'm hella tired, so I'm not gonna continue right now. But we made some progress. Again, something where we had to rewrite something that already existed, because you can see this is way. This is so trimmed compared to the previous version. We're saving so many cycles here. And that's really good. So I'm really happy about that, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna make this even more efficient next time. So yeah, this episode is gonna be called Terrain Destruction. I guess next one is I don't know, Giga Terrain Destruction or something. Ultra Mega Super Terrain Destruction. Shh, he's legend. Yeah, okay. But as you can tell, I'm losing coherence. I'm gonna go to bed. Have a good time. Bye.